88-year-old Indian farmer buys Mercedes-Benz to fulfill childhood dream. They say you can't kill a dreamer and that stands true, especially for this farmer from Tamil Nadu. Devarajan recently became the proud owner of a brand new Mercedes-Benz B-Class. What makes this an achievement is the fact that he bought the car at the age of 88, making him one of the older Mercedes-Benz owners. For Devarajan though, the dream of owning a car with the three-pointed startup front was one that stood beyond age. It was a childhood dream and a promise to self being fulfilled. It was at the teener age of 8 that Devarajan first saw a Mercedes Benz. It isn't exactly clear what particular model he would have seen back in 1930, but it was very clear that it left a lasting impression to his mind. The impression was such that it lasted 80 years and made him work hard to own a car from the German brand. Sources has claimed that Devarajan didn't even know what this brand was, as he was one who rode a bicycle and toiled in the field on bullock carts. The 3-point star though stayed in his mind. He worked harder by the day, and 80 years later he has achieved his goal. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class was sold to him by Transcars, a Mercedes-Benz dealership in Chennai. To celebrate the occasion, Transcars brought in a cake with the Mercedes-Benz logo, and Devarajan and his wife were more than happy to cut it. The Mercedes-Benz B-Class is powered by either a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine or a 2.2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The diesel variant has a power output of 136 bhp and petrol variant makes do with 122 bhp. Thoughts on the 88-year-old Indian farmer purchasing a Mercedes-Benz? Age is just a number, especially if one has a spirit like Devarajan, fighting his way through life's battle. He finally made it to a place where he could own his dream car. If this does not inspire, I'm not sure what will.